how to see open snaps again on Snapchat. Hello everybody. To do that, you may follow up the steps. So go ahead and open up Snapchat. Once you are there, you may head over the chat and then go ahead and locate up the person in which you want to see the snaps. So once you head over the chat, you may go ahead and open up the snap and open it up first like this. And once you've opened up the snap, in order to view it again, to see the open snaps again, you may long press on it to go ahead and replay it and tap on it to view it again, like this. So this is one of the method. We have this option another again to hold to replay it again. So you may hold it, but the third time it is a premium version. So if you want go ahead and keep on opening this, keep on seeing the open snaps again and again, you need the premium version. But if you want it for free, Snapchat allows us to replay it for about 2 times. So that's it for now. You can follow up this method in order to see open snaps again on Snapchat. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.